Next topic is define account group. Path SPRO, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, general ledger accounts, master data, preparations, define account group. Click on that. Now click on new entries. So here we need to give the account groups. First is chart of accounts, that is MD for McDonald's. Then group is asset, name is asset. From account, I'll give 1 lakh. To account 1,99,999. Next is chart of accounts MD. Then asset group is liability, LIAB. Name is liabilities. From account 2 lakh. To account 2,99,999. Chart of accounts MD. Account group is income, INCO. The name is income. From account 3 lakh. To account 3,99,999. Chart of accounts MD. Account group is expense, EXPE I am giving. Name is expenses. From account 4 lakh to account 4,99,999. Now click on save. So now that we have defined the account group. Next is define retained earnings. Same path. SPRO, SAP IMG, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, general ledger accounts, master data, preparations, and define retained earnings. So here chart of accounts is MD. Now here P&L account we will give X, that is for unknown. Then account is 2 lakh, that is retained earnings is a liability. So that we have given 2 lakh. Now click on save. So now we have defined retained earnings account.